My friends, let's take a look at CRQ number 8. It's called Atomic Nucleus, February 28th. If you watch this tutorial, I promise I'm going to give you everything you need to write a super CRQ number 8. So CRQ number 8, again, is called Atomic Nucleus, and it goes with lesson 4.05. So I recommend you open that and use it. You're going to find what you need right there, I promise. Please make every effort, obviously, to be here in class. If you need any help, here is my contact information. Let's go through best practices for writing a response to a CRQ. Number 1, begin with an opening sentence. Number 2, answer all parts of the question. Number 3, include an example or examples where appropriate. Finish with a concluding sentence and cite your sources of information. If you don't know how to cite your sources, click on this link. There's another tutorial that shows you how to do that. Important reminders. Answer in paragraph form. You should be writing complete sentences, not listing things. So you should be writing with complete sentences, proper grammar, punctuation, spelling, and sentence structure. There are plenty of tools on the internet to check all of your grammar, your punctuation, your spelling, and your sentence structure. Number 2, please don't plagiarize. It's never okay to copy and paste from the internet, the course, or anywhere else. Plagiarism does result in an automatic 0 on the assignment. Here is the question, CRQ number 8. The like charges of protons should repel each other, causing the atomic nucleus to come apart. That does not happen, though. What holds an atomic nucleus together? Explain. I'll read the question again. Simply answer, what holds an atomic nucleus together? Explain. And then if you click down here, don't ever skip this. I know it's a tiny little sentence, but there's plenty of help in this link right here. Click on it, CRQ help. It should take us to the CRQ help folder. If you want to get to it a different way, you can get to the CRQ help folder from content. On the left-hand side, take a look at CRQ help. And if you scroll down, look for the CRQ you're working on, CRQ number 8, click on it. And there are several resources here to help you with the CRQ. A couple of videos that show you exactly how the nucleus stays together, a research organizer for you to collect your thoughts and organize your thoughts. And then this is what I'm going to go over right now. It's also the same thing we'll go over together in class. So here's how this works, right? How to write a great CRQ number 8. What holds the nucleus of an atom together? I'd recommend number 1, use lesson 4.05 as your source of information. Read it first if you haven't yet. Number 2, now you're going to use the following to construct your response to the original question, which is up here at the top. If you answer each of these, A, B, C, D, and E, with at least one full sentence, you can then put those sentences together as a paragraph and submit. So A, start with an opening sentence. You can use mine right here. The nucleus is the what of an atom. B, what makes up the nucleus of an atom? So what two particles make up the nucleus of an atom? C, what are the electrical charges, if there are any, of the two different particles in the nucleus? This term right here, nucleon, is just another term for the particles in the nucleus. D, the protons in the nucleus do not repel each other, although they should. Why? Why should they be repelling each other? Hint, hint, wink, wink, they're positively charged and like charges repel each other. But why don't they? In other words, what keeps the protons from repelling each other? And how does that happen? Okay. And then, of course, cite your sources of information. You can use my list right here. Lesson 4.05, the nucleus of the atom, and ICP Class Connect with Mrs. Kitson. Just make sure you put the right date on it. If you answer A with one sentence, B with one sentence, C with one sentence, D with one sentence, and E with one sentence, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentences that you just put together and turn into a paragraph.